Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is Friday, March the 17th, and let's take a look at some possible swing setups. Big move yesterday. It's a Friday. Still some contagion fears out there with the banks. Thus, we're seeing a gap down, in the spies a little bit. Q's a different story and very impressive move yesterday, thanks to the semis. Typically, what you we'll have after a big move like this is what we call a digestion day, where it'll be maybe a little inside spinning top or a doji. We'll see what happens, but let's take a look. I'm kind of eyeballing some China stocks. Been beaten up. Had a nice move overnight in the Hang Seng. Uh, Beak is one on my radar. Had earnings yesterday. Fared okay, but could not get above its key moving averages. Well, today it is gapping up, so one to watch there in Beak. Uh, let's see. This Mr. MicroStrategy gapping up above its moving averages. It kind of trades with Bitcoin, so got to keep an eye on Bitcoin if you're trading that. YumC, very impressive channel here in YumC, gapping up today. A break above this level right here, the 62.75 level, would be impressive. So keep an eye on that one. And one last one, I like to bottom fish every now and then with a half size or whatever. Baba is kind of came down to a very critical pivot point right here. Could be developing a head and shoulder, upside down head and shoulders pattern. So keep an eye on Baba, especially, like I said, I like to take small size and then I can add to it if it gets above its fast line, its 10 period moving average. All right, guys, have a great weekend. We'll talk to you on Monday.